Hi there. Today I'm going to make a skin serum. My serum is essential oil based and I use it after cleansing and before my moisturizer as a way for adding something a little bit extra that my skin might need, like hydration or oil control. But before you use a skin serum, it's important that your skin is smooth and polished to enable the serum to be absorbed properly. So look out for my other video on the two different ways to exfoliate. Now, the essential oils that you choose will vary according to your preference or your skin type, and the same with your choice of carrier oil. Great essential oils for a skin serum are lavender, frankincense, geranium, tea tree, myrrh, or copaiba. But you don't just chuck them all in at once. You use three or so at a time, and then the next time you make another bottle, you switch it up. So let's look into which oil you would choose for your skin type. Lavender calms and soothes skin. So if you have any irritation or redness, you definitely put this one in. Frankincense is one of the most expensive oils, but it is the best oil for cellular repair and renewal. It's also the oil of the brain. So when you're using it on your face, you are boosting your brain health as you inhale the aroma, and this is priming your mood to be grounded and balanced for the day. Geranium oil helps maintain the skin's natural oil balance and it hydrates it too. Because floral essential oils are good for hormone balance, it will also help your skin's appearance. So if you notice a pattern in your skin according to the time of the month, then you definitely need geranium. Tea tree essential oil is good for removing harmful bacteria. And so it's good for any sores that need healing on your skin, whether they be cold sores or canker sores. Tea tree is the way to go. If you have fine lines on your skin forming, then myrrh is the essential oil that will help keep your skin hydrated. And then finally, copaiba. This is one for any kind of exacerbated skin conditions. So, whether your skin is irritated or just uncomfortable, if it's dry or flaky, then copaiba is a great oil to put in the mix. So, today I'm going to use some lavender, copaiba, and some frankincense in my skin serum. I'm just going to put about 10 drops of each and then top it up with carrier oil. Then the 10 drops of frankincense. It's already smelling amazing. And finally, the 10 drops of copaiba. This is quite a thick oil, so it might take a bit longer to come out. I use jojoba carrier oil in my serum as it's a gentle, hydrating, and good all round carrier oil. But if you have sensitive or inflamed skin, you can use evening primrose or borage oil. Oily skins suit carrier oils like grapeseed, argan, or rosehip. And rosehip is also great for dry and dehydrated skin. Now, rosehip carrier oil is different to rosehip essential oil. The essential oil is from the petals of the plant, but rosehip oil is pressed from the fruit and seeds. So once you've got your essential oils in your dropper bottle, this is a 30 ml bottle, you just top up with your carrier oil of choice. And then when you use it, you only need a few drops at a time. Best essential oils in the world are pure and potent, and so it's not a case of more is more, less is more often. So be sure to use it every day. It's important to follow your skin serum with a moisturizer because essential oils in themselves are not moisturizers. There needs to be other ingredients to seal in the moisture in your skin and form a protective layer. I hope you're able to see how easy this is and that anyone can get started with essential oils. You're welcome to subscribe to my channel for more DIY tips that will save you time and money. And if you'd like to learn more on the essential oils that are good for skincare, then please download my free guide, Essential Oils for Skin Glow. The link is in the description box below. See you next time.